Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create Shopify product descriptions with Chat GPT. Okay, so have you ever wondered how to keep up with the numerous product descriptions provided by various third-party suppliers? We've got you, so don't worry. Presenting ChatGPT, the automated conversation AI that can transform those dreary supplier product descriptions into gold in a matter of seconds. How? Prepare to bid manual rewriting duties farewell and say hello to ChatGPT's quick and easy product descriptions. And you may finally free yourself from that very, exhausting job by using automation thanks to ChatGPT. So to start, you just have to open your Shopify and go to this add products. Okay, let's just say you wanted to sell short pants unisex and you're tired of putting some description here because you're not in the mood to do that, okay? So all you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, paste this one. Now, the good thing about ChatGPT is that all you have to do is to type anything here, ask ChatGPT a question, ask him to do something. For example, create a description for the product short pants unisex, but it should be enticing to teenagers. So you should be specific with doing something like this. And then click enter. So here it is. ChatGPT provided you the description already. Okay. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating some answers for you. So here it is. Now you can see that ChatGPT is giving you the right description for your store, for your pants. And all you have to do is to wait for a few minutes till it's finished. But if you think that it's too long and you don't want to read all you have to do is to simply click this stop generating and it will stop generating answers for you. So you just have to click this one or tap this one, then ChatGPT will stop giving you the answers. So once done, you just have to copy, select all, and then copy this. But I just want to copy this part. I don't want to copy all of this, okay? Go to Shopify, right click, click paste, and here it is. Now you can tap any of the options here to make adjustments to edit your description. We have bold, italic, underline, change the color. We have here change or insert some link if you want. You can here add photo and so on. Okay, you just have to explore to have a good result or to create a good result for your description. Okay, so once you're done with this, or once you change your mind, like you don't want this description for teenagers, you want this good for adult audience. So you can just simply do that. Okay, that's how good ChatGPT is. So you just have to type here, can you make the sample description for, or can you make a sample description, but this time my target is like adult audience, something like that. So you can just type it here. And then once you're done, you just have to tap enter. Then ChatGPT will change everything according to what you have asked. Okay, so this description is good for adult. Okay, so you can click stop generating if you want ChatGPT to stop. And then copy the part where you want to paste it to your Shopify description. Okay, this part. Okay, you just have to copy, go to your Shopify and paste this one. But if you think this is very long or too long, so you can ask also ChatGPT, can you make it shorter? And yes, ChatGPT will do it for you. Okay, so if this one is good enough, then you can select this one all and then click copy and then go to your Shopify store. Now, if you want to edit more or if you want some adjustments, then you could also ask, could you please add the name of my store? Okay, let's just say the name of my store is Way. Okay, you just have to type it here. And also, can you make it please a little bit funny, something like that, or daring or whatsoever. So, and make it a bit funny. Okay. So once done, you just have to click enter. Okay. So you must be specific also that this should be, from this latest description, or Chat GPT should do this or change this one and should follow the latest description. So once you're done with this, you can just simply copy and go to your Shopify. Okay. Go to your Shopify and then paste. But let's just say you change your mind again and you want to try other way. Okay. You want to try this generate text here in Shopify. So you can just easily delete this one or cut this one. Okay. So let me delete this description first. Okay. And then let's try this generate text here. All you have to do is to provide features and keywords, let's just say pants, shorts, unisex, and so on. Now we have also here option like tone of voice. I must select, let's just say I want it daring. Okay. Now special instruction, everything is up to you. Okay, make it enticing to adult or to everyone. Okay, then once done, all you have to do is to click generate. Okay, so once you click this generate here, like your Shopify will give suggestion, then it's up to you if you want, or you can just ignore this one. Now, if your problem is you want emojis to your description and you want to test if ChatGPT can insert emojis or emoticons to your description, then you can ask, can you add emojis to the latest description? Then once done, you just have to tap enter. And then yes, of course, ChatGPT can do that. So once you're satisfied with this, all you have to do is to copy and then paste it to your Shopify description. Okay. Now, once you're done with this, you can now proceed with your media. Okay, let me paste this one first. Okay, then go to add files, select any pictures here. Then you can adjust or edit everything here with the pricing, with the cost per item, so on. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is to simply tap save. Now, if you want to see the result of your store, all you have to do is to go to your homepage and tap online store. And here it is. I do really hope that this video helped you. And thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.